The Style Picker allows you to copy style attributes from an object or text and quickly apply them to other objects or text. You can access the Style Picker tool by double-tapping on the Colour Picker tool and then selecting the Style Picker. Currently, we can see on the context toolbar along the top of the screen that the Style Picker is empty. If I tap on an object, this will change to let me know that the picker is now loaded with the attributes from that object. I can tap another object to apply the same attributes. Notice that the Style Picker continues to hold the first object's attributes, so they can be applied to other items within the document. If I want to copy different style attributes, I can tap the bin icon on the context toolbar to reset the picker. Take care not to use the bin icon on the Tools panel, as this is for deleting objects. I can be selective with the style attributes that I want to copy. Here I have 3 circles, and I want to make them the same opacity, without changing the fill colours. By tapping the Picker Options drop-down menu, I can see a list of the attributes that will be copied. If I don't want certain attributes to be copied, I can tap to deselect them, like the stroke or fill, or just select specific ones, like the layer opacity. Now I can tap to load the opacity setting from the first circle and apply it to the other 2 circles. I can also pre-select objects and then nominate an object with the attributes that I want to copy across. First, I'll select the Move tool and I'll drag to select these 4 squares. Now I'll change back to the Style Picker. If it's still loaded from before, I'll unload it and set which attributes I'd like to copy. In this case, I only want to copy the stroke and layer effect settings. Then I can tap the object with the attributes that I want copying, and it is replicated across the selected objects. The Style Picker can be used to replicate text formats too. I'll unload the Style Picker by tapping in an empty space, and then make sure that character and paragraph settings are selected. In this case, I'll also select Fill, because I want to change the colour of the text. Now I'll sample this text by the squares. I can apply the style to individual words by tapping on them, or I can tap-drag to change a range of text. I can also tap the text frame to paste the format across all of the text within that text frame. There are a few modifiers that you can use to help speed up your workflow. To show you this, I'll open the Document menu and enable the Command Controller. If I hold Option and tap on a new object, it will overwrite the samples stored in the Style Picker, and holding Command will apply the loaded style to the whole text frame when I tap a single word. Finally, I'll just show you another useful tip. I'll just reset the attributes first. If you have the Style Picker loaded, you can drag a selection around objects that you wish to style. And if you start dragging and then hold Ctrl, it will apply the style to objects that are only partially covered by the selection. So that was a quick look at the Style Picker's functionality and some helpful shortcuts that you'll hopefully find useful. Thanks for watching.